Hello, my name is Sarah Larkin, and this video is going to discuss doing subtraction on the Cranmer abacus using the rule of 5 and the counting method. To start with, we'll look at when to use it. If you are trying to subtract from the ones, or subtract the 1 beads, and there aren't any more pushed against the counting bar, but there is a 5 bead that you can subtract from, you would use the rule of 5. To do this, you would move the 5 bead away from the counting bar, but return all 4 1 beads towards the counting bar. Let's look at why this is. If I have my 5 bead down and I want to subtract 1, think about what it would look like. I would have to take the 5 away, but what comes right before 5 is 4, which would be the 4 1 beads. So notice how the 5 bead moved up, but so did the 4 beads below it. So anytime I have 5 and I want to subtract 1, I'm going to move that 5 bead up and return the 4 below it. Now let's look at some examples of when we would want to do this. Some practice problems. The first one we're going to do is 8 minus 6. So we're going to go ahead and set 8 on the abacus in the ones column. That's a 5 bead and 3 1 beads. Now we're going to subtract 6 using the counting method. So I'm going to pull 1 bead at a time away from that counting bar. When I get to the point where I have to use that 5 bead, that's when I'm going to use the rule of 5. So I'm going to start by bringing 1 bead down at a time. 1, 2, 3. There aren't any more, so I'm going to go up to the 5 bead as I say 4 and return the 4 below it. Continue counting. 5, 6. Notice I have 2 beads left. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now let's go to the next example. 17 minus 4. So I'm going to set 1 10 and 7 ones for my 17. Now I want to subtract 4 from the ones place. So I'm going to bring 1 bead down, a second bead down. Now there aren't any more sitting there, so I have to go up to the 5 bead as I say 3 and return the 4 below it. And continue counting. 4 as I pull that last bead away. Notice my answer is 13, 1 10 and 3 ones, and 17 minus 4 is indeed 13. On our third example, we're going to do 38 minus 16, 3 10s and 8 ones. To subtract 16, I'm going to subtract the 1 10, easy enough. And then I'm going to subtract the 6 ones. So we're going to move 1 bead away, a second one away, a third one away. Now there aren't any more, so I'm going to have to go up to that 5 bead, 4 away. As I return the 4 below it, continue counting, 5 away, 6 away. Notice I have 22 left, and indeed 38 minus 16 is 22. Last example, we're going to set up 49 on the abacus. I'm going to subtract 28. So we'll subtract the 2 10s. Now in the ones place, I'm going to subtract 8. So 1 away, 2 away, 3 away, 4 away. There aren't any more, so I'm going to go up to that 5 bead, 5 away and return the 4 below it. Continue counting, 6 away, 7 away, 8 away. Notice my answer is 21, and 49 minus 28 is 21. In the next video, we will look at the rule of 0.